Hey guys, from One for Speeders. Today guys, I want to show you the HP ZBook 17-inch G6 model. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, so as you can tell, this is a beauty of a laptop. This is a 17-inch touchscreen with a 4K resolution. Now, this particular machine comes with a Xeon processor CPU. That's the E2286M. M stands for mobile, for those who don't know. Mobile is for laptop-based computers on the cores, as well as the video cards. When they have the M at the end of it, that's a mobile workstation like this one. Now, this is going to go up to 64 gigs. Right now, we have upgraded this beast to 32 gigs at the moment. However, talking on the solid-state drives, it comes with the 512 NVMe, and it holds up to 4 drives. Right now we have installed a second NVMe drive, which is a 2 terabyte. It's got plenty of performance, and the guy's going to use it for data analytics. So when you use data analytics, it has a lot of resources and a lot of CPU power. So when you're piling stuff together like that and you need to move around, this particular machine will do the work for you. Now, if you're gonna do intensive graphics, or for those who like the AutoCAD and maybe you're an engineer, this laptop comes with a Quadro RTX 4000, which is an 8 gigabytes video card. And it's like, as you can see on the size of this laptop, it's huge, it's bulky, and it's got great cooling performance. It's thick, it's not thin. You can tell this thing's not gonna break as easy as a gaming laptop. A lot of them are super thin. This is more of a workstation for heavy duty usage. So if you guys are looking for something like this, we will have this in stock on our website. Like I said, if you need us to upgrade it, we can always upgrade it before you pick it up. If you're probably not in Texas and you may be watching this video, we can ship it to you once you buy it from our website. So if you guys have any questions, you can leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you for watching.